In today's video, we'll be taking a look at my homemade Optimus Prime figure for Transformers Rise of the Beast. So last year I had made an Optimus Prime figure that could transform, but unfortunately it collapsed under its own weight and it basically destroyed itself. So when I heard a new Transformers movie was going to get released, I thought it was a good chance to give it another shot. What I did this time was I replaced the heavy cardboard and tape with this thing. This is PVC foam board and it's basically really strong and it's light. This is exactly what I needed to make this. So taking a look at his details now, let's take a closer look at his face first. You can see there. There's a lot of detail packed in there. It's all sculpted and dry brushed, of course, to make the details stand out. The windshield is plate across his chest right there. There's some mechanical details on the lower torso and his hands. Yeah. He has the Autobot symbol right there on his shoulder. The smokestacks, and the legs, some more mechanical details right there, and the wheels at the side. That will come into play in the truck mode, and there are some more bits of the truck right there at the back. So in terms of articulation, he has a swivel in his head. You can turn left and right. You can also look up and down due to the transformation joint. His arms can rotate. They can also hinge out. The elbows can hinge, and there's also a swivel. Hands can hinge in due to transformation. And there is a waist swivel also due to transformation. The legs can move in front and can move over the side. There is a thigh rotation and a hinge. The legs also have a hinge and a rock, but it tabs into place, so it's due to transformation only. The main feature of this figure is that it can transform. Now I'll be honest, most of the transformation on this figure is pretty similar to the Hasbro's mainline Voyager class figure, but I have changed a few things here and there. So let's get on with the transformation. And this is the truck mode, as you can see here. Now the head does not go anywhere in the truck as it's too big to fit in the space right here. so it just stays out, and that's the only thing that doesn't really fit into the truck. But otherwise, this truck is not as accurate as the robot move compared to the movie design, but it does the job of representing it. So taking a look at the details on this truck, as you can see, the front, the windshield, and the bull bar over there. In my opinion, the addition of the bull bar in the movie design was really good. It made the truck look much stronger and more fierce. See the side, 6 wheels. Each wheel does rotate. Okay. But it doesn't rotate as freely as I wanted it to, due to a slight design flaw on my side. Back. The auto mode symbol at the side.